What's up everybody? CJ here again at Viewrail with the Stay at Home DIY series day number 6, where we are transforming our back deck and getting ready for the express cable railing system. Today is stain application, and it's actually happening today. I know that we've been saying that for the past few days. We ran into a few setbacks, and that's what happens when you do projects. You just have to be flexible. You can have a timeline that you have set, but sometimes the project dictates your timeline if you want to do it right. So we sanded down all 980 square feet of the deck, and that meant we had to power wash, get all the dust particles out, and our deck had to dry for 24 hours before we could go to stain application. Our oil-based stain has to apply on bone dry wood. It has to be really dry. So we've allowed it to dry for the proper amount of time. It's a sunny day, as you can see, and it's feeling really nice here in northern Indiana. We're gonna be applying this today. I have a weighted roller. We'll be back brushing as well, just with a normal thick brush, and just kind of have everything laid out so you can see it. We'll be cleaning up with mineral spirits. We're gonna put down one application. We'll probably need to put down 2, but that's on the docket for today. We'll see how far we can get. We'll continue bringing you some tips and tricks along the way. So remember, stay home, stay healthy, and stay tuned.